Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on Motorola Moto G75. To remove a widget, press and hold on it and drag it up to remove, then release. To add a widget, press and hold on your home screen, then tap on widgets, and now you can select a suggestion or any other one from here. I'm gonna select a clock widget. You can choose which type of widget you'd like. I'm gonna select the stacked one. Press and hold on it, then place it somewhere on your home screen. Then it may ask you for a style. For some widgets you get to choose the style. I'm gonna choose the transparent one. And you can also hold on the dots to resize the widget. And you can place it in different places. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.